dawn of new day, let us embark our daily journey with determination and zeal. A very heartwarming morning to our esteemed Tripti ma'am, principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am, dear parents, my spirited friends and lovable children. I am Rupali, your host for today's morning gala assembly. Bright and early, with hopes high and spirits roaring, let us begin this day with an atmosphere of learning and entertainment in today's enlightening morning gala assembly. I would like to call Arav from Standard 1 for show. Shlokas, prayer is also important, which help us to stay close to the God and to get His blessing. For prayer, I would like to call Janisha and Ashwini from Standard 6. Imparts positive thinking and morals, so much necessary for our students. So let's listen to today's thought from Yashvi, 6th standard.
Let's start today's thought. Knowledge will give you power, but good character will give you respect. So we have to maintain our character. Thank you.
We know it so well that festivals are important in our lives because they can bring people together, promote unity and help us to maintain culture and religious beliefs. So our students here are representing some of the important festivals which are celebrated enthusiastically in India. Glani Bhavati Bharata, Abhyutthanam Adharmasya, Tadatmanam Srijamyaham, Paritranaaya Sadhunam, Vinashaya Jadishritam, धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। और अधर्म बढ़ता है तब तब भगवान श्री कृष्ण साकार रूप से सज्जनों की रक्षा के लिए प्रकट होते हैं और धर्म की स्थापना करते हैं। Devotees worship the infant form of Lord Krishna, that is Bal Gopal. Our little devotees from Standard 1 are ready to present the birth journey of Lord Krishna.
जब जब होता नाश धर्म का और पाप बढ़ जाता है, तब लेते अवतार प्रभु और विश्व शांति पाता है। आगे की श्रृंखला कृष्ण जन्म से शुरू होती है। आइए चलते हैं मथुरा के उस कारागृह की ओर।
कृष्ण पक्ष की अष्टमी अर्धरात्रि बुधवार, कारागृह में कंस के भयो कृष्ण अवतार, भयो कृष्ण अवतार।
हे वसुदेव, यह बालक मानव जाति का उज्ज्वल भविष्य है। इसे यमुना पार अपने मित्र नंद राय के यहाँ छोड़ा।
स्वामी, आप कैसे जाओगे? इन हथकड़ियों और पहरेदारों का क्या करोगे?
देवी,
मैं कौन होता हूँ कुछ करने वाला। जिसने ये कहा है वह अपने आप देखेगा।
हे भगवान, मेरे पुत्र की रक्षा करना।
मेघ निछावर हो रहे, बरसे सौ सौ धार। दमक दमक दामिनी कहे, देखूं मुख एक बार, देखूं मुख एक बार। छत्र बन्यो ब्रजराज हित, फन फैलाए ना। मथुरा तेरे त्याग से, जागे ब्रज के भाग, जागे ब्रज के भाग।
अब वासुदेव गोकुल में नंदराय के घर कृष्ण को छोड़कर उनकी नवजात पुत्री को अपने साथ लेकर आते हैं। वहाँ गोकुल में सभी को खबर हो जाती है कि हमारे मुखिया नंदराय जी के घर पुत्र ने जन्म लिया है। इस जन्मोत्सव के अवसर को गोकुल निवासी हर्षोल्लास के साथ मना रहे हैं।
moving to our next festival, that is 15 August. 15 August is celebrated as an Independence Day. It's the day when we get freedom from British rule. Our students from Standard 2, Dishita and Anvi, are going to perform a patriotic song to show the love and respect towards our nation. Dishita and Anvi, please come on stage.
Trupti ma'am, principal ma'am, teachers and parents, we Standard 2 students are going to perform a patriotic song. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। इस गाने में हमारे देश की सुंदरता और समृद्धता का वर्णन किया गया है। हमें गर्व है, हम भारतवासी हैं। आशा है आप सभी को हमारा ये छोटा सा प्रयास अच्छा लगेगा। धन्यवाद। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितां हमारा हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। होली में खेलती है जिसकी हजारों नदियाँ। गोदी में खेलती है जिसकी हजारों नदियाँ। गुलशन है जिसके दम से, गुलशन है जिसके दम से। रश के सीना हमारा हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा। सारे जहां से जय हिंद जय हिंद। थैंक यू।
For better understanding of all subjects, practical skills should be raised. Science is an interesting and practical based subject which enhance thinking, reasoning and creativity skills. Here I would like to call Samruddhi from Standard 7. She is going to show us the life cycle of silk moth.
Good morning everyone. I am Samruddhi, Standard 7. I am going to show you a life cycle of silk moth.
The lays about 300 to 400 eggs at a time. The eggs hatch and the caterpillars emerge. This is called the larval stage. The silkworm feeds on mulberry leaves. The silkworm secretes a fine filament from 2 glands on its head. The filaments are made up of protein that hardens to form a silk fiber when exposed to air. The silkworm deposits filament in the layers around its body through a figure of 8 movement on its head, forming a structure called cocoon. The silkworm takes 3 to 7 days to prepare cocoon. The silkworm enters the second stage of life called pupa, and the final stage becomes an adult moth. Thank you. This is about the life cycle of silk moth.
Now moving to our next festival, that is Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi, which is dedicated to brothers and sisters. It signifies the special connection in this lovely relation. So let us welcome Rudra and Deven from Standard 4.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम देवेन है। मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं रक्षाबंधन के बारे में एक पौराणिक कथा सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। एक बार देवराज इंद्र और दानवों के बीच में भयंकर युद्ध हुआ, जिसमें देवराज इंद्र की पराजय होने लगी। फिर उसकी पत्नी सूची एक गुरु बृहस्पति के कहने पर एक रक्षा सूत्र बांधा। फिर देवराज इंद्र की युद्ध में विजय हुई। तब से हम रक्षाबंधन मनाते आ रहे हैं। प्रणाम, मेरा नाम रुद्र है। मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आज रक्षाबंधन के बारे में सत्य घटनाएं बताने जा रहा हूँ। पहली घटना ये है कि एक बार गणेश जी की बहन राखी बांधने आई। तब उनके दोनों पुत्र शुभ और लाभ बोले, हमको भी एक बहन चाहिए राखी बांधने के लिए। फिर गणेश जी ने उनका मान रखकर एक अग्नि से पुत्री को जन्म दिया। फिर से हम संतोषी माँ के नाम से जानते हैं। दूसरी सत्य घटना ये है कि एक बार कृष्ण भगवान के पतंग उड़ा रहे थे, तब उनके हाथ में घाव आ गए थे। द्रौपदी ने अपना साड़ी का पल्लू फाड़ के हाथ में बांधा था। कृष्ण भगवान ने वचन दिया द्रौपदी की रक्षा करने का। चिरहरण के वक्त द्रौपदी का घाव फूट के कृष्ण भगवान ने अपना वचन पूरा किया था। थैंक यू।
English is the second widely spoken language in the world. It enables individuals to express themselves clearly and engage in meaningful conversations. I would like to call Pratham and Drishti from Standard 3, who are going to tell us about countable and uncountable nouns.
Good morning everyone. My name is Pratham from Standard 3. Noun is the name of any person, place, thing and animal. Countable, among them I will tell about countable and uncountable nouns. Hello everyone, my name is Drishti. I study third. Today I am going to tell you about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are which we can count, and uncountable nouns, they have singular and plural form. Singular refers to one and plural refers to more than one, like cat, ball, book, books, toys. But uncountable nouns are which now we cannot count. They have only singular forms like milk, water, sugar, rice. They use we have how much water, how much milk. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very nicely explained. Into the next subject, संस्कृत. संस्कृत कई भारतीय भाषाओं की जननी है। संस्कृत भाषा हमारी प्राचीनतम भाषा है और भारतीय संस्कृति में इस भाषा को बहुत महत्व दिया गया है। संस्कृत में कई ऐसे श्लोक हैं जो व्यक्ति को प्रेरणा देने का काम करते हैं। I would like to call Ashwini, Janisha, Yashvi and Sakshi from 6th standard. They are going to tell us about importance of Sanskrit language.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य महोदया और अध्यापिकागण एवं मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, आज कला असेंबली में कक्षा 6 के छात्राएं कुछ विषय संस्कृत में प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं। कक्षा 6 की अश्विनी संस्कृत पर श्लोक प्रस्तुत कर रही है।
सुप्रभात। आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य महोदया और अध्यापिकागण एवं मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, मेरा नाम अश्विनी विश्वकर्मा है। मैं कक्षा 6 की छात्रा हूँ। मैं आप सभी के सामने एक श्लोक प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। प्रिय वाक्य प्रदाने सर्वे दृश्यन्ति जगतः वक्तव्यं वचने का दरिद्रता, अर्थात सभी प्राणी प्रिय वाक्य बोलने से प्रसन्न होते हैं, इसलिए हमें प्रिय वाक्य बोलने चाहिए। बोलने में क्या कंजूसी और क्या गरीबी। धन्यवाद।
अब कक्षा 6 की जनिशा संस्कृत भाषा का महत्व प्रस्तुत कर रही है। सुप्रभात। आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य महोदया और अध्यापिकागण एवं मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, मेरा नाम जनिशा धीरेन्द्र सिंह सोलंकी है। मैं कक्षा 6 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं संस्कृत भाषा का महत्व प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। संस्कृत भाषायाः महत्त्वम्। संस्कृत भाषा अस्माकं देशस्य प्राचीनतमा भाषा अस्ति। प्राचीनकाले सर्वे एव भारतीय संस्कृत भाषा एव व्यवहारं कुर्वन्ति संस्कृतस्य महत्वम् अद्यापि अक्षुण्णं वर्तते। धन्यवाद। अब कक्षा 6 की साक्षी मम परिचय प्रस्तुत कर रही है। सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम साक्षी है। मैं कक्षा 6 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सबके सामने मेरा परिचय संस्कृत में प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। मम परिचय। अहम साक्षी अस्मि। अहम 11 वर्षीयः अस्मि। अहम IDP विद्यालये अध्ययनं करोमि। मम पितुः भरतः शर्मा अस्ति। मम मातुः पिंकी शर्मा अस्ति। धन्यवाद। अब कक्षा 6 की यशवी मम विद्यालय पर कुछ पंक्तियाँ प्रस्तुत कर रही है।
आदरणीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य महोदय और शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, मेरा नाम यशवी है। मैं कक्षा 6 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं मम विद्यालय पर कुछ पंक्तियाँ प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मम विद्यालय नाम IDP अस्ति। मम विद्यालय अति सुंदरम अस्ति। मम विद्यालय अति विशालम अस्ति। मम विद्यालय एकं सुंदरम उदाहरणं। मम विद्यालय बहवः छात्राः सन्ति। मम विद्यालयस्य अध्यक्षा तृप्ति मैम अस्ति। मम विद्यालयस्य प्रधानाचार्य पुलोमा मैम अस्ति। धन्यवाद।
Mathematics is the subject which encourages logical reasoning in students. It helps in their intellectual development. So here I would like to call Ashwini and Janisha from Standard 6. They are going to tell us about fractions.
Good morning to you all. My name is Janisha Dhirendra Singh Solanki.
And my name is Ashwini Vishwakarma.
We are studying in Standard 6.
So today we are going to tell what is fractions and whole.
Hi Ashwini.
Hi Janisha.
Can you explain me fractions?
Yeah, why not? A fraction is a number which represents the part of whole and whole should be divided into equal parts. So I hope can you understand what is fractions?
Yes, definitely.
So can you explain me with the help of chart?
Yes, I will explain. But where is the chart?
Here.
So, as Ashwini explained you, what is fractions? So, in the first picture, I have colored one part out of two equal parts. So, it will be 1/2. In the second picture, I have colored one part out of three equal parts. So, it will be 1/3. In the fourth picture, I have colored one part out of four equal parts. What will be the answer of it, Ashwini?
It will be a 1/4.
Correct. In the fourth picture, I have colored one part out of five equal parts. So it will be 1/5. In the last picture, I have colored one part out of six equal parts. Can you see the answer? Correct. So now we will show you more examples of fractions. So I have colored two parts out of eight equal parts. So it will be 2/8. Ashwini, can you tell the answer of it?
Yeah, it will be a 8/4.
Correct. But it is not 8/4, it is 4/8. So now I have colored six parts out of eight equal parts. So it will be 6/8. I hope you all understand what is fractions. Thank you.
Thank you.
As math, science also has a wider importance in our daily life. It includes information about all the creatures in our nature, which contain living beings and non-living beings. Here I would like to call Yashvi from Standard 6. She is going to explain the project of biotic and abiotic components.
Good morning. My name is Yashvi. Today I am going to explain you the 3D model of biotic and abiotic components. Through this 3D model, you will understand what is biotic and abiotic components. living things and non-living things form an environment. We can also say that biotic and abiotic components also form an environment. Biotic is nothing but living thing, which means food and water to grow. They can move themselves, like you can see here, animal, plants and human beings are examples of abiotic components because they need food and water to grow. They can move themselves except plants. Abiotic components are which doesn't need food and water to grow. They don't move themselves, like you can see here. Soil, heat, light are example of abiotic component. I hope you have understood what is biotic and abiotic component. Thank you.
Not only to the normal children, but also to the special children, IDP gives a chance to show their potential and talents. So here, please welcome our first standard student, Ayanika, to show her skills through picture identification. Which picture is this? Which picture is this?
What?
Very good. Which picture is this?
Sir.
Very good. Very nice. A big round of applause for Ayanika. Very well done, Ayanika. The efforts of teachers are really acknowledged, which helps us in developing mental abilities, reasoning and thinking skills. I would like to call first standard students Pratham, Suzanne, Almira and Irza to tell us about significance of traffic rules and indicators.
Hi everyone, good morning to all. I am Pratham of Standard First. Today we are going to see traffic rule and indicator. This is traffic light. Red light says stop, yellow light says ready, green light says go. This is pedestrian or zebra crossing sign. Here we can cross the road safely. Thank you. The time is no parking. Here parking is not allowed. Don't use mobile lighting. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to be a witness for our students' scholastic and post-scholastic skills. Dear parents, your presence here and appreciation for our students means a lot to us. Now I would like to call Shridevi ma'am for a vote of thanks. Thank you.
Hello, good morning parents, and I would like to thank you all. During your busy schedule you have spared your time to come and see our kids performance. Thank you one and all, thank you so much. So in connection with this, I would also like to call my team members, all the teachers, please come inside. Major initiatives and hard work. So without them, this performance doesn't come to a success one. And even Pooja ma'am, please. Pooja ma'am, please. Just a minute. So everyone helped us in every manner. Along with their studies, we also focused along with the studies as well as training the children. Apart from the studies, giving importance to complete our syllabus for the forthcoming examination. So we've also concentrated within that. Simultaneously, we also focused in this training, and even a short period of time, they took more initiative and hard work, and for this chance, which was this opportunity which was given to the by the management. I would like to thank the management, Dhruti ma'am, so by giving us this sort of opportunity to show our talent in midst of you. Thank you, one and all.